Okay. Well, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, Sivat began his path-breaking journey with a noble mission to provide the most cost-effective, high-quality and efficient NDT services to customers across various industry sectors. It is with true grit, determination, commitment to quality that Sivat has achieved milestones after milestones through these 2.5 decades and has successfully emerged as the largest NDT service provider. Siva's journey hasn't been an easy one. The 25-year-long journey has been all about the challenges faced, hurdles crossed, hardships endured, knowledge attained, experience gained, goodwill earned. But what we cannot forget has been mostly quality NDT services delivered. Sivat has the largest resource base of NDT equipments and has already successfully completed NDT contracts for the largest LNG plants, refineries and downstream units and over 100 pipeline projects close to 25,000 kilometers. A feat only a few companies can boast about. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have an audiovisual especially for you to take you down the memory lane through these glorious 25 years that has made Sivat a leader today. Can we have the audiovisual AV, please? Inaugurate the website, and can we please welcome our dignitaries with a huge round of applause. Well, that's what I call a fantastic way of celebration. Can we have a huge round of applause once again for Sivat India? Well, talking about celebration, how about we celebrate this particular occasion by setting the stage on fire? And hence, without any further delay, joining us back on stage are the four lovely divas that have been flown away for you all specially. Are you guys ready for it? Yes or no? So please welcome them with a sparkling round of applause, our four lovely divas. Well, I think our divas deserve a huge round of applause. Can you hear that once again, please? Well, over the years, Sivat has grown to become a company that has won many plaudits for its commitment to quality and delivery conformance. All this has been made possible under the visionary eye of Mr. Sudhakar Rao, our managing director of Sivat, who has been an idol of knowledge and experience and an inspiration to all at Sivat. May I now request Mr. Sudhakar Rao to please join me on stage and say a few words. And could we please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Make some of the guests who arrived early to wait. I really beg your pardon for that. And I hope now we are quite okay in number to carry on our program. I would not like to talk much. And thank you everyone for coming here. And it's an honor that I will cherish for my lifetime. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Sudhakar Rao. I think there's one lie that he said out here. And that was that he's not used to speaking to public. In fact, he's one of the finest orators that I've come across. He speaks really well. I think he deserves a huge round of applause. Well, one more thing Mr. Sudhakar mentioned is he was apologizing to you all for the delay. I will try to make it up to you all by giving you all a chance to win a prize. Would you like to take this opportunity to win that prize? Yes? Okay, let's see, okay? I'll make it very easy for you all. This is like just a few second games. I will throw random things at you all. If you all do have those things, the first person to join me out here will win the prize, okay? Like well, what? Okay. The others who are disappointed that they didn't get a chance to win a prize, yes, I throw a second one for y'all, okay? This time, it goes to that gentleman, okay? Take your sweet time, okay? I'll give you like around 30 seconds. The lady or the gentleman with the maximum debit and credit cards. Your time starts now. The lady or the gentleman with the maximum debit or credit cards. So if you think you have maximum debit or credit card, you just join me out here. And irrespective of the number of people who are here, the person who has the maximum number of debit or credit cards wins the prize. Join us out here. I have a number that's 5. 5 debit and credit cards altogether. So if there's someone else more than you, then that gentleman will win the prize, okay? How many are we looking at there? Oh my. Have you collected everybody's debit and credit card and come here? That won't be allowed, okay? We'll be checking your names on it. Yes, 1. 12. We have 12 credit and debit cards out here. No, that's okay. I did not mention that rule. Okay, do we have anybody out here who has more than 12 debit or credit cards? Anybody out here with more than 12? So I think, do we have somebody else? No, so sir, congratulations, you are the winner. Can I know your name, please?
My name is Kumar.
Mr. Kumar, you win yourself a lovely prize on the occasion of 25 years. Congratulations, sir. Thank you once again for being out here. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, for today's evening, we have lined up a lot of fun, frolic, and oodles of entertainment because today is just not any other night. Today is a night of celebration. And hence, our very first artist performing for today's evening. He is a comedian par excellence. He has performed at various shows in India and abroad and has also been a part of hit comedy shows on television like the Great Indian Laughter Challenge, The Laughter Express, Comedy Ka Badshah, and many more. He's an actor in movies like Bhavnaon Ko Samjho with 50 other comedians, which has been featured in the Guinness Book of World Records. He's even enacted in movies like Meri Padosan and soon to be released this Diwali 2011, his new film Stupids. Please put your hands together for a very well-known comedian of India and the comedian of today's evening, none other than Mr. Deepu Srivastav. Well, a lot has been spoken about this man and he finally arrives.